कामाक्षी फॉरेक्स फ्रॉडात बुडिल्लो पैसो रिकवर करपाक गोयच्या इकॉनॉमिक्स ऑफेन्स सेलाक जमना म्हूण इन्व्हेस्टराच्या आदवोगादान बुधवारा हायकोर्टाक सांगलें. कामाक्षीचो मुख्य आरोपी डायरेक्टर निलेश रायकरान हो पैसो बाकीच्या राज्यांनी पार्क केला आसुये म्हूण इन्व्हेस्टरांक दुबाव.
Economic Offences Cell, which is currently investigating the case, has not done any efforts to track down where those 55 crores have been parked. So it has been our contention before the court that this matter ought to be transferred to the CBI so that there can be a detailed investigation as to where Mr. Nilesh Raikar, who has defrauded investors to the tune of 55 crores, has parked all that money. Police were not doing a proper investigation, so that the case investigation of the case be transferred to the CBI so that there can be a free and fair investigation.
केस काडून सीबीआयक दिवपाचेर हायकोर्टाचे विचार चल्ल्या. ते खातीर सीबीआयक नोटीस काडल्या.
The Honorable Bombay High Court at Goa has today issued a notice to the CBI and has directed them to appear before the court on Monday on the issue of transferring the investigation in the Kamakshi case. So the case will now be heard on Monday, and the court will pass appropriate orders on transferring the case to the CBI.
कामाक्षी केसीत सुमार 900 जणांक 55 कोटींची टोपी पडल्या. सीबीआय कडल्यान हायकोर्टान 5 दिसां भितर जाब मागल्या. केस 10 ऑक्टोबराक कोर्टा मुखार येतली. प्रुडंटा खातीर क्रायम रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.